Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A press release by the leadership of the National Youth Council of Nigeria Rivers State Chapter, having consulted widely in the recent political crisis in Rivers State, to our Grand Patron, His Excellency Sir Seminary Joseph FUBARA, GSSRS, Executive Governor of Rivers State, concerning the fact, as member of the youth body, that the youth of Rivers State has resolved as follows: to stand with the governor, His Excellency Sir Seminary FUBARA, and the position that no price is too much to pay for the peace to be restored in our state. And our stand with the governor is this: when the fact that Rivers State can only be empowered by the government in a peaceful atmosphere. We join the governor to commend His Excellency Tinubu, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for intervention in the peaceful resolution of the political crisis in Rivers State. We assure him of our total support in making sure that Rivers State remains peaceful, for peace is priceless and terror is senseless. That the solidarity walk on Friday, 22nd of December 2023 by the Rivers Youth was to show solidarity to the governor and not to intend to insult Mr. President, because we are aware that some individuals want to blackmail the youth of Rivers State, that want to insult Mr. President, and that we massively voted for His Excellency Tinubu, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, against all odds during the presidential election. Rivers Youth strongly in support of the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President, and we will never do anything that will jeopardize the renewed hope agenda for the President of Nigeria. And therefore, we call on Mr. President that he should give his support to our Grand Patron, His Excellency Sir Seminary Joseph FUBARA, to govern our state. Mr. President, we render unreserved apology to you if we might have also, by our speech as young people doing our solidarity work to our governor, to make unguided speech. Finally, we support our governor in all decisions he will take that is geared towards bringing everlasting peace for the good interest of Rivers people. I call on Rivers to remain calm and advise Rivers politicians to stay away, to always consider the interests of Rivers State in every of their actions. We have no doubt that Mr. President, having fought against the anti-democratic agent in the past, will do everything that will promote democracy in Nigeria and Rivers State. Thank you and God bless you. I want to thank Mr. President for the support he's giving to Rivers people, and that what happened yesterday was a show of love to our governor, His Excellency Sir Seminary Joseph FUBARA, GSSRS, the governor of our dear state, and we are not there to insult Mr. President, because we are aware that some politicians who want to use this medium to blackmail our governor that he sent us. I want to tell Nigerians today that what happened yesterday was not organized by Rivers State government. It was done by the youth of Rivers State, because we are protecting what we voted for. And that Mr. President should be rest assured that Rivers people and Rivers youth will keep on supporting the administration, the Renewed Hope agenda, to ensure that Nigeria moves forward. And I want to commend Mr. President. So far, he has led us over seven months now, that Nigeria is very calm. The issue of insecurity is gradually coming down. So, Mr. President should be rest assured that roots of Rivers State are rolling with him. I want to thank the President for the support he's giving to our governor, His Excellency Sir Seminary Joseph FUBARA, and that support will not be taken for granted. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay, ma'am.